My dear friend, now we are going to see passive table past perfect tense. What is the difference between present perfect and past perfect? सिर्फ था और है का डिफरेंस है. अब यहां हम बोलेंगे हैड द टूम बीन विजिटेड बाय यू. क्या मकबरा आपके द्वारा देखा जा चुका था? इससे पहले हमने जो हैज का बनाया कि हैज द टूम बीन विजिटेड बाय यू, क्या मकबरा आपके द्वारा देखा जा चुका है, वही यहां हो जाएगा क्या मकबरा आपके द्वारा देखा जा चुका था. अब उसके साथ और दूसरी टाइमिंग भी होगी कि एट 7 o'clock, बाई 7 o'clock या बिफोर ही केम. इस तरह से कुछ दूसरी घटनाएं भी होंगी, लेकिन पहले इसको हम प्रैक्टिस करेंगे. हैड द टॉम बीन विजिटेड बाय यू? यस, द टॉम हैज बीन विजिटेड बाय मी. नो, it had not been visited by me. Had the class been attended by you? Had. Yes, it had been attended by me. No, it hadn't been attended by me. Had the book been read by you? Yes, it had been read by me. No, it hadn't been read by me. Had the letter been written by you? Yes, it had been written by me. No, it hadn't been written by me. Had the door been opened by you? Yes, it had been opened by me. No, it hadn't been opened by me. Had the window been closed by you? Yes, it had been closed by me. No, it hadn't been closed by me. Had tea been taken by you? Yes, it had been taken by me. No, it hadn't been taken by me. Had the money been given by you? Yes, it had been given by me. No, it hadn't been given by me. Had the mango been eaten by you? क्या आम आपके द्वारा खाया जा चुका था उन लोगों के आने से पहले, बिफोर दे केम. इस तरह की दूसरी घटनाएं भी साथ में लगाई जाएंगी. बट फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल यू नीड टू प्रैक्टिस दिस पैसिव वॉइस सो दैट यू कैन, बाद में कॉम्बिनेशन आप करेंगे और भी टेबल्स फ्यूचर में आती रहेंगी एंड यू कैन डू इट. सो हैड द मैंगो बीन ईटन बाय यू? यस, इट हैड बीन ईटन बाय मी. No, it had not been eaten by me. Had the milk been drunk by you? Yes, it had been drunk by me. No, it hadn't been drunk by me.